So let's begin by recognizing that you have to start looking for patterns. If you have a patient that has routinely shown up for their appointments, I mean, their pattern is that they're routinely, showing up, and then, they have an aberration, and they call you in the morning for a hygiene appointment and say, Carly, I'm so sorry. I have an afternoon appointment with Kelly this afternoon for hygiene, and I'm not going to be able to make it. I just got called into an emergency meeting at work. I am so sorry. I know I'm supposed to give you 48 hours notice, and I didn't know until now. And if I don't go to that meeting, I'm losing my job. Now, Naren, can we recognize that that's different than a pattern of cancellation and no-shows?
Absolutely, got it. Yes.
That's different. And I think, common sense for all of our listeners prevails in a situation like that. And say, of course, thank you for the courtesy of the call. We understand. And then we're going to scramble to fill it, But now what do we do with George? And I'm going to make it a male patient because it's more likely to be a male patient. I hate to say it, but it is. And I'm going to make this example George. And when we look at George's record, he shows up maybe 20% of the time that we've made appointments for him. If you look at it in reverse, 80%.
Can I share? I'm going to put myself on the line here. And
okay, George, go ahead, George.
So we all have mindsets, right? We run our lives based on our mindsets, the way we think. In my mind, if I have to choose between a meeting with Gary and my dental appointment, I'm choosing my meeting with Gary. I'm being honest, right?
I'll take that as a compliment, Aaron, unless you were a Life Smiles patient. And then, oh man, I get it.
So my problem is they typically ask me to book 6 months in advance. I don't know when I'm going to have these meetings that I really want to have because I have fun in it. I enjoy it. So usually what I tell my dental office is, please call me a couple of weeks before. That way I can definitely make sure that I find a time when, I don't tell this to them, when I don't have those fun meetings, like the meetings I have with Gary, so that way it's easier for me because a week or two ahead of time, all my meetings with you and all the other stuff that I enjoy is already in my calendar. 6 months ago, if I ask you, Gary, when are we going to talk 6 months from now? You won't be able to tell me. So I'm one of those patients, Gary, who won't show up if you book an appointment with me 6 months in advance. I'm being honest.
Hey, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment to us saying I subscribed. Most importantly, be sure to click the bell button, which means you'll be subscribed so you won't miss out on any future videos.